question I'm often asked is, how do I clean my in-ear hearing aid? And I've got an example of one here that I've actually cleaned earlier on, and this one actually is my own. On this particular hearing instrument you can see there's a volume control, there's a microphone port, and there's a vent. And then on this side, where the vent comes out, and of course the loudspeaker or receiver as we call it. Quite often when you put your hearing aid in your ear, you'll find that the finger pushing it into your ear smudges finger grease into the little microphone port. So it's important under a magnifying glass just to check that that is nice and clean, and use a small wax loop just to get in there gently and clean out any debris that's built up. Similarly, you can use a brush just to brush it off and brush it away. Now where the shell sits in your ear, this bit, it can quite often pick up grease, and there are two ways to get rid of that. One is to use a wet wipe and just wipe it around with a wet wipe, and another way of course is to use a good old-fashioned tissue just to wipe the thing off. And then looking round it, we need to check there's no debris in the vent. In the packs normally that go out from the Honiton Hearing Centre, you'll find there is a small wax poker, and all you need to do is gently push through, and that should be used to poke out any rubbish, and then use your little brush to brush it away. If you're absolutely blocked solid and can't clear it yourself, even after changing the wax guard, then please feel free to drop into us and we can put it through our AuraCare system here. It takes about an hour to do, and we should have it working for you within an hour.